Uttar Pradesh is known for its unique combination of rich heritage and biodiversity. Uttar Pradesh Forest Department and Tourism Department in 2023 decided to bring forth the state's unique offering through its annual event, Bird Festival. It chose to host it for the first time in Mahoba, one of the 7 wonders of Bundelkhand region. The idea of designing a unique logo encapsulating this concept took birth. An element of nature, heritage, biodiversity, and avifauna has induced in the logo, with myriad hues symbolizing festivity. The new look logo, Nature and Bird Festival, with tagline Preserving Heritage, Conserving Nature, stands for what the Forest Department is striving to achieve with its partner Tourism Department in the years to come. Let's celebrate nature and pledge to conserve it for the benefit of our coming generations.